Pipelines organize your work into clear stages so you can track everything from start to finish. Each pipeline is a visual workflow. Cards move from one stage to the next, making it easy to see what needs attention and what comes next. To create one, click Pipeline on the left navigation bar, then choose New Pipeline. You can start from scratch or from a template. Starting from scratch, give your pipeline a name and description, then shape its stages to match how your team works, adding, removing, or renaming until the flow is right. The preview shows exactly how it'll look before you create it. Templates are the faster route when you're building similar pipelines again and again. Pick an existing template or create your own with its own name, category, and stages, and it's ready to reuse whenever you need it. You can even limit a template to the current property. Once created, your pipelines all sit on the main pipeline page, where you can switch between card and list views and search to find the one you need. Each card is one item you're tracking, like a deal, an order, or a request. Click Add and choose Card, give it a title, and select which stage it belongs to, along with any details you need, like a description, priority, and the contact it relates to. Choosing stage instead adds another step to your pipeline, and the stages themselves are flexible. Drag them left or right to change their order and rename any stage whenever you need. Then, as work progresses, simply drag a card to the next stage so your pipeline always shows exactly where things stand, and click any card to open and update its details anytime. Inside a pipeline, there are 3 ways to see your work. Pipeline View arranges cards by stage for a visual read on progress. List View shows every card in a searchable list, and Forecast gives you a timeline so you can review what's coming up. Filter by attributes like priority, sort by date or title, and open the settings anytime to adjust the pipeline as your process changes. That's the real strength here. Your stages aren't fixed. As your workflow evolves, your pipeline evolves with it. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.